the Dolomite range from Bolzano. This is I see the train here. Just I'm inside the train and moving towards the Lake Brace in South Tyrol in Italy. It's mainly in Bolzano region. This is mind blowing. See the beauty of Dolomites, the Dolomite range. This is just mind blowing. This is the train, and the outside, it's awesome. Wow, what a lake! Amazing lake. Uh-huh. Take the videos, guys. This is mind blowing. Oh, wow, ultra gorgeous houses and amenities here. Bolzano is not beautiful, it's mind blowing and hilarious. The green alpines on this mountain are really mind blowing. See the beauty. Wow, you see the right sides. Just I'm showing in the left side on. It's also extremely beautiful. Uh-huh. See the beauty. Wow, what a scenery. This Abbey, super, ultra gorgeous. Wow, ultra gorgeous. It's I'm like dreaming now in a place. It's just what I can't describe the beauty of this area. See here. Wow, superb. Wow. Aha. What I am watching, I cannot believe. Is this Italy? Wow.
Bahnhof Mühlbach.